my goodness, I have hiccups really bad, so we're gonna make it through this intro and then we just gonna put some music on. When I started off with my hair looking crazy, that we about to do a hair tutorial. I saw this picture of Beyonce and I was like, that's some holiday hair. I'm gonna recreate that for Christmas time. Jesus. I did specifically buy this nice long ponytail. I have extra clip-ins just because I don't know if this is gonna be to my thickness. Like it's not gonna be as thick as I want it, okay? Oh, excuse me, Lord. So I'm not burping, y'all, I promise. I just have really bad hiccups. My hair is dirty. What I mean by dirty is like I haven't washed it yet. If you want to do this on fresh hair and kind of have it last for a long period of time, you can. But this is sort of just like if you can get to your hairstylist in time and you need to like whip up something quick for like a little holiday something. And to prep my hair, all I did was I hot combed my edges. I'm gonna stop talking because clearly I can't. But if you're interested, then just keep watching. this is our finished look. Ooh, lipstick on tea. It came out really cute. It came out cute. I knew I was gonna recreate it and have like a version of it, but I think I did our good sis justice. I want my ponytail to stick up a little bit more, like to be a little bit, yeah, like that. So, you know, you can tease it up here. Again, this is for like my girls, you need a really quick holiday something, sis. I got you. I paid like $40 something. It was under 50 for this ponytail, and I could put heat on it just fine. I added, as you saw in the beginning, some clip-ins in like on my actual hair to like give it a little bit more added fullness, but I feel like even without the clip-ins, like it probably would have been fine. But that was just me like being like cautious because I knew like the look I wanted and the thickness that I wanted. I feel like if you have natural hair, you could easily recreate this style. I would just buy a kinkier ponytail and straighten it, and then straighten your hair. But you can do this with a kinkier style, a curlier style if you have natural hair. I feel like it'll work. But I'm just, you know, I'm proud of my, cause you know what? One thing I pride myself on is being able to like look at a hair look specifically and recreate it. So baby. And ask me where I'm going with this. Absolutely nowhere, y'all. It is Black Friday and I'm sitting in the house. You can also very easily do this with synthetic hair. But you're just not gonna be able to curl the ponytail. Okay, so I'll link everything that I purchased below, all the products that I use below. And yeah, that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next time.